In this video, I want to walk you through how to price a book that's a paperback book on Amazon.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So we're going to pick one of my books and we're going to go to pricing. The first and immediate difference that you will see is that even though on the Kindle, when you sell things on the Kindle, let's say you keep 70%, it doesn't matter what your price is. If it's a $10 book, you keep 70%. If it's a $5 book, you keep 70%. That's not the case here, because here with the paperback, Amazon is going to charge you for printing costs. So if you have a low price, you get to keep a smaller percentage, because within that price, a bulk of that price is going to be for shipping, for printing. So the higher you place the price of your book, the bigger percentage you'll actually get to keep out of that price. So pricing higher is actually going to put more money in your pocket, disproportionately more money in your pocket, because pricing higher on Kindle puts proportionally more money in your pocket. Here you get a little more every time you increase prices. Of course, you don't want to increase prices that's going to price you out of your range, but also you don't want to keep prices too low, because it's going to suggest to people that the value of your book is not good. And remember that the total dollars sold is a very important metric. So it's not that bad to keep prices low, to keep prices in the medium range or higher in the mid to long term. In the beginning, you can price low just to boost your sales, because if you have no sales, you need a cheap price to boost the sales. But eventually, you want to have a reasonable price. This is let's say still on. It's not a low end price, but it's mid low end or mid end price for this book. And you see that even for this price, I get to keep like $5.19 per copy. So it's not amazing revenue. It's certainly not anywhere near the 70%. It's less than 50%, but still. Now, just for our example's sake, let's say it was $19.99. We can calculate how much revenue we would keep. So we'll calculate it, and it's almost 50%. So you see, it catches up. We don't want to do that. And of course, you want to just make sure that your pounds and your euro prices are close to what your dollar prices are. I'm not going to save this, of course, because I don't want to change the pricing of my book, but that's what you should do. So this is what you keep in mind. The higher you price your book, the higher your take-home revenue will be, but also your total sales, you'll get to make more money as a sum sales for your book, and that's actually going to influence the Amazon recommendation algorithm positively in your favor. Just make sure that you can still generate sales with whatever price you choose. So just don't price your book way out of what the market rate for the kind of book that you have is.